Hi guys, I'm Steex Audio Video Production and today I'm gonna test the Beyerdynamic DT 880 open back headphones. So of course you already know how I test all the headphones. Of course I use the Beyerdynamic DT 770 Pro headphones, are closed-bed headphones. I can show you. These will be my reference headphones, and of course today, since both are from Beyerdynamic and both are in the same range, but the difference is that these are closed back and these are open back, the test will be also in the difference on the sound regarding these two different features. So let's listen the sound, and of course we will see you again in 4 minutes, 4 different tracks. Okay, so there is one difference that is very noticeable. The difference is the mids. I think that the DT770 Pro has more focused mids, maybe too much. On the opposite side, I think the DT880 are really balanced, are amazing the sound. Really balanced. I like the mids, is not scooped, the highs are really smooth, so no harsh sounding. The bass, I'm really impressed about the bass, because normally open back headphones has smooth bass, not too pronounced like on the closed back headphones. Instead here the sound is really balanced. I really like the sound of this DT880. I want to keep these headphones. Really like, and the price is pretty much low, I guess, for the quality you get with these headphones. Really like the arc. You can also change the arc. Really like the feels, and also in my head are really small and really light. You can use this headphone for a very long period, for a very long session, for your mixing, for your mastering. I really like. I suggest this mastering. I suggest for you these headphones. You have the link in the description of these headphones. Let me know what you think about these headphones. Of course, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.